The Airwaves, lucky of the orange couch. It is Sunday. It's the 25th of April, and today is a big holiday. It is actually our Palm Sunday because we are having our Easter later. So we're slow Bulgarian Orthodox. It is our Palm Sunday. Above all, Palm Sunday in Bulgaria is called Svetnica, which means the day of the flowers. So everybody whose name is a flower celebrates their name day. So my mom, Lily, celebrated this like really greatly. Why? The tradition is on your name day, you keep an open house. You don't need to send invitations. Everybody who knows you is welcome to come and visit, to drop by. There were days, there were years when on this particular Sunday, we had probably from starting in the morning until late at night, probably 50 people stopping by, giving my mom flowers, having something to eat or to drink. So there were times when we had, and then the flat was like a garden. It was like a flower shop because she would receive so many flowers. Beautiful. It's one wonderful holiday. I know personally so many people whose name are flowers, many. So be healthy, be happy, and happy Svetnica. Okay. So for that reason, this is my project of the day. This is what I painted for all the people who did. These are flowers. They're going to continue, so it's not done. I just started that. But this is my spring, and this is my Svetnica, and this is my, project of the day. Tons of flowers. Perfect. So that's my project of the day. And then that's not even starting to describe my day. In the morning, we went with Lucky for a walk. I'm coming back. And in my lobby in the building, what do I find? Look at this stationary bike. What does it say? Free. So the universe sent me a gift for Svetnica in this form and shape. The name of this bike is Freedom. Introducing to you freedom. Just a couple of months ago when I was complaining that I gained weight because the pools are closed, and when my girlfriend said, I have a question, do you still fit in your bathtub? Yes, okay. If you fit in your bathtub still, no complaints. You didn't gain that much weight. Anyway, so I cannot exercise because I used to swim every day. And I'm thinking, what if I get a stationary bike? Then I can zoom and I can sit on my bike and exercise. Just a thought. Then, of course, everything got shut down and I didn't buy it. And then today in the morning, voila. So tell me that there is no God. Thank you. I will, of course, find out whose bike it is, and I'm going to take them personally to my neighbors. But this is what happened. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. And stay safe, and stay blessed. This morning, it's Palm Sunday, and here is my present. Project of the day. Okay. This is my project of the day for Flowers Day, and my new bike